Friends, welcome to the video. Today's topic is first aid for cuts and grazes. The children can come across various types of injuries. It need to be attended in schools and even at home. It is very important that the first aid provider should be acquainted with treatment for each type of injury. That means that whether parent or teacher, they should know what first aid should be given to what type of injury. So today's topic is first aid for cuts and grazes. How to treat cuts and grazes. First, let us see what is a wound. A cut or tear in the skin which leads to bleeding is called as wound. If the wound is left unattended, germs can enter through the wound and result in the pain. In case the wound is caused due to sharp objects such as needles, fork, or knife, this can lead to infection. Now let us see what are the steps needed or should be taken to treat cuts and grazes. The first thing is allow the blood to flow for a few seconds. This helps in clearing the germs. So this is an important step. Allow for few, if it is a small injury, small cut, then allow the blood to flow for few seconds so that if there are germs stuck at those places, that will be cleared. The second point is clean the area around the wound by gently wiping with cotton soaked in antiseptic solution or warm water. You have to clean the surroundings of the wound gently with a cotton soaked in an antiseptic, or if an antiseptic is not available, you should use warm water. Then the third point step is to apply antiseptic cream and cover it completely with a gauze dressing. After cleaning, after wiping, you should apply any antiseptic cream, then cover that wound, with a gauze dressing. And to keep this gauze dressing in place, you can apply the bandage or adhesive tape. So these are the three steps to treat cuts and grazes. Now let us see the do's and don'ts while treating or administering the first aid to cuts and grazes. The first thing is always use clean cloths. That means if you use dirty clothes, there may be germs in them that may lead to further infection. That is why the cotton or the cloth you are using should be clean, or it should be sanitized by dipping in warm water, or sterilized by dipping in warm water, or in an antiseptic cream, antiseptic solution. Then the second point to remember is always wipe away from the wound. Never wipe on the wound, on the injured place. Clean the blood and dirt around the wound. Third point is while using antiseptic solutions, follow the instruction given on the antiseptic bottle. And the fourth point is if the wound is large or big rush of or big, then try to take the child as early as possible to the doctor. Then fourth points, do not touch, don'ts I'm discussing, do not touch the wound with your fingers. This may cause infection. Do not scratch around the wound with your nails. So these are the do's and don'ts of treating cuts and grazes. So this is all about giving first aid to cuts and grazes. So thanks for watching.